It's just not a good look.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cover up or at least camouflage a certain ager on the face. Yeah, these right here, jowls. Now I know a lot of you are going to say you don't have any jowls, but I do. I have lighting coming from both sides, so it's probably pretty hard to tell, but I will most likely include some photos where I am in direct light and you can see them. But I can see them right now. Right here, the jawline kind of indents, and that is because these muscles right here become lax with age. Anyway, that tends to make the chin look a little bit pointy or more prominent, and it's just not a good look. Now for me, I just got these brand new. Yeah, I called my girlfriend from college recently and I said, "How are you?" And she says, "I have jowls now." I said, "Me too." Anyway, jowls can show up earlier, depends if you're a smoker or say you lost a lot of weight. You're gonna have a little bit of fleshy business over here. So let's get to blending those in and covering them up as if they're not even there, kinda. Normally I'd be using the NYX Wonder Stick, but mine is pretty much down to the end. So I bought this Milani Wonder Stick. It is a contour and highlighter. And how this differs from the Wonder Stick is down here at the bottom, it's highlighting goo. I chose the lightest color because I just want a little bit of contouring. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. Little indent, or in other words, flabbage right here. Don't say you don't see it. You see it. What we're gonna do is we are going to contour down the jawline and on the chin and skip contouring here and here. And instead we're gonna use a really light foundation or even a highlighter. And the whole idea there is to blend this into a smoother line. And we do that by bringing out what's in and in what's out. Is that right? Just watch what I'm going to do. It's like overlining your lips. I'm gonna come down. You guys see right there how it's over my natural jawline. And when I get here, I stop. Same on the other side. Get here, I stop. And then I overline my chin. And then come down a little bit. I didn't bring anything to blend. Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna use my fingers and just kind of blend it in and down. Okay, so that kind of makes the jawline look like it's receding a little bit by being darker. Now I'm going to use, what am I going to use? Sometimes I use highlighter, sometimes I use a concealer, very light one. Here's the indents right here and here. And we're just going to bring those out with a light color. Already it's better. I'm going to do a little bit more of this stuff. It's lighter than I thought, but I still really like it. It goes on smooth. And you can even put your head down and get those lumps, push them back. Well, metaphorically. And even sometimes try to define the new jawline with a little bit of the light concealer, which blends in the indents and camouflages these little droopy bits. So that's it, you guys, for today's video on how to cover up your jowls with makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.